Ever wondered what it feels like to drive a 490 cubic inch HEMI-powered American muscle car with the top-down 17-inch billet wheels and a roar that stops traffic? Today, you're about to experience one of the most insane 1968 Dodge Dart convertibles ever built, fully upgraded, fully modernized, and ready to dominate the streets. Buckle up, this isn't just a car, it's a legend you can drive. What's up, everyone? Make sure to subscribe to my channel because today we're diving into one of the most jaw-dropping, high-performance, and visually stunning classic muscle cars you'll ever see, the 1968 Dodge Dart 426 HEMI GT Convertible. If you're a true muscle car enthusiast, collector, or just someone who appreciates automotive perfection, buckle up because this isn't your average Dart. It's a full-on masterpiece built to dominate both the streets and car shows. From the moment you lay eyes on this Dart, you know it's something special. Its striking yellow paint with bold black accents instantly captures attention, giving it that perfect balance of classic muscle heritage and modern show-stopping presence. Complementing the vibrant exterior is a black cloth convertible top, which perfectly contrasts the aggressive body lines while allowing for that open-air driving experience every collector dreams about. And the moment you approach the car, you notice the 17-inch billet specialties wheels, perfectly polished and ready to showcase the wide stance of this iconic machine. Pop the hood and you enter the heart of this automotive beast, a 426 cubic inch HEMI V8 that's been bored out to a colossal 490 cubic inches. This isn't just an engine, it's a statement of power, precision, and engineering mastery. The Holley Terminator electronic fuel injection system ensures lightning-fast throttle response and perfect fuel delivery, while the Indy high-rise aluminum intake manifold maximizes airflow to unlock every ounce of power this HEMI has to offer. And we're not stopping there. The MSD Pro billet distributor and electronic ignition guarantee that this engine fires with absolute precision every single time. Add to that a chromed accessory drive with extra wide V-belts, and you've got an engine bay that's as visually striking as it is mechanically flawless. Oh, the 5-speed manual Tremec transmission puts you in complete control of all 490 cubic inches of pure American muscle. Every gear change feels precise, direct, and connected to the car, like a high-performance sports car, yet with that unmistakable raw power that only a HEMI can deliver. And when it comes to the soundtrack, the long tube headers paired with dual exhausts and Flo-Pro mufflers create an aggressive rumbling roar that turns heads and sends chills down your spine. This isn't just a car you drive, it's an experience you feel in your bones. Handling is just as impressive as the performance. With tubular adjustable upper and lower control arms equipped with coilovers, this Dart corners with confidence, agility, and poise. The power rack and pinion steering provides direct responsive feedback, so every turn of the wheel feels connected to the road. And stopping power? Absolutely uncompromising. The four-wheel disc brakes with slotted and drilled rotors ensure this HEMI can slow down just as dramatically as it can accelerate, giving you confidence in every mile. Step inside and you're met with a fully customized interior that oozes sophistication and style. Black vinyl and suede upholstery cover the bucket seats, providing comfort and support that's perfect for both spirited driving and leisurely cruises. Every detail inside has been thoughtfully crafted, from the sleek dash layout to the perfectly finished controls, ensuring that this Dart is as luxurious inside as it is ferocious under the hood. This car isn't just a thrill to drive, it's a collector's dream. At $134,995, it represents the perfect blend of classic muscle car heritage and modern performance upgrades. It's not just a car you buy, you're buying a piece of automotive history meticulously engineered and upgraded to perform at a level most classics can only dream of. Whether you're cruising down the boulevard, hitting a drag strip, or showing it off at a car meet, this Dart commands respect and admiration wherever it goes. Imagine yourself driving this masterpiece. The sun is shining, the convertible top is down, and every head in the vicinity turns as the HEMI's growl fills the the air. Each shift of the Tremec 5-speed brings a visceral thrill, and the car's handling keeps you glued to the road with confidence. You're not just driving a classic, you're commanding an icon, a machine that embodies everything muscle car enthusiasts live for: power, precision, and presence. This isn't a car that's built to sit in a garage, it's built to be enjoyed, felt, and experienced. And the upgraded suspension, braking, and fuel injection systems mean that you get all the benefits of a classic HEMI with the reliability and drivability of a modern performance car. It's a rare chance to own a 1968 Dodge Dart HEMI convertible that performs flawlessly, looks impeccable, and delivers a driving experience few cars can match. Chromed accessory drive to the precision-tuned exhaust, every detail screams high-end craftsmanship. From the streets to the show floor, this Dart doesn't just participate, it dominates. Every curve, every sound, every rev of the engine makes a statement. This is American muscle perfected. So, if you're a true car enthusiast, a collector, or someone who wants to experience the pinnacle of classic muscle with modern engineering, this 1968 Dodge Dart 426 HEMI GT Convertible is exactly what you've been waiting for. It's rare, it's powerful, and it's the definition of automotive artistry. And today you got an exclusive look at what makes this car not just a vehicle, but a lifestyle, a statement, and a legacy. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join our community of enthusiasts who appreciate the beauty, the sound, and the thrill of cars like this. Keep following, because we're bringing you more legendary machines, ultra-luxury restorations, and jaw-dropping performance builds that you won't want to miss. This 1968 Dodge Dart 426 HEMI GT Convertible isn't just a car. It's history, it's power, it's art, and it's ready for the next chapter with you behind the wheel.